Good morning and welcome to Family Computer Center. In this video, we are going to discuss about the concatenation operator in Excel VBA. Concatenation operator in Excel VBA is used to combine two data values. Concatenation operator is nothing but the ampersand symbol and symbol. So we will do an example. So here we have two boxes to enter. One box is for entering first name and the second box is for entering the last name. So once we enter first name and last name, what we want to do is we want to display here the full name which is combined from first name and last name after clicking this button. So once the user click this button, it should display the full name with space in between. That's what is our task. Okay, so for that we are going to Visual Studio. Before that, this C6 is a cell for first name and E6 is a cell for last name. Okay, so let's go to the Visual Studio, insert a module, and I'm just giving name concat, and I'm giving like sub combine name, just a name. Okay, then I'm saying like this workbook dot sheets of sheet 1 is the name of the sheet dot range of, we have to check which is this range. This is C8. So range of C8 is equal to this workbook dot sheets of sheet 1 dot range of C6. And means concatenate. I'll copy this statement, copy and paste it over here, and I think the next cell is E6. Okay, so it's now active, so we can go back, assign the macro to this button, combine name, then I'm giving the first name Joseph, and second name Kurian. Okay, so when I click combine, it combined Joseph Kurian, but there is no space in between. So if you want a space in between, you can go back to Visual Studio and you can do it like this. This is the first name box, concatenate, then inside a quotation you put a space, and after that you put concatenate again. So how do we read this one? So combine, so do one thing, combine this with a space and combine this one with the remaining. So it's like that. So when I goes back to Excel and when I click the combine again, it comes with the space. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you will not miss any further video we post.